What about in
There's
the
a
Philippines?
huh?
People are losing jobs or people, life is normal?
Yeah, people losing jobs also. Of course, if the small business are closed, automatic staff lose jobs.
How much effective now in the this coronavirus on people economy, independent people, families? How much effect?
How
I want
much?
that, how much percent?
Uh,
10%, 50%?
not only 10%, more 50. I think 50%.
How they can manage their life?
How?
Yeah, I'm asking you. You are a blogger. You should have some
Of
information.
course, especially in Philippines,
Okay, especially
if
Philippines.
one lost jobs
What you will do?
and one member of the family have a good life, for example, they support each other, helping each other, no?
Okay, that's in. What about in Europe, people? How they do? Other countries, you think?
Other country, maybe they receiving some support from the government, or maybe they have some little
No, saving
savings.
finish. They use savings, then they will be finished.
I
Let's talk
think
about saving. Saving, everyone has saving, okay,
hmm,
but saving will be finished in one short period.
they will start to sell their properties or personal things inside their houses, like
So,
appliances,
if
furnitures.
if you summarize the situation, Mr. Blagger, how do you
Yes,
summarize the situation? Summarize. Give me a small summary.
a small summary. In order to survive, don't depend to others' help, like government. Do or try to find a solution by what? By what? So if you have a little money, try to buy some things that could increase that small money, like selling foods. You cook something which is it will be more profitable, and you can sell it to your friends. You can bring to your friends who's work in the office or hospitals. You can talk them, to encourage them to buy food from you instead of buying foods in canteen or in any fast foods. Just tell them that this is not just you're buying a food. At the same time, you are helping someone who doesn't have job. You buy, so you get a food. At the same time, you help the person. Correct? What do you think?
You talk something out of real.
Really?
It's real, but it's out.
No, it's yes.
Today, I was sitting in the coffee shop,
Yeah.
and beside the coffee shop, there is another bakery,
Mm.
Filipina. She sells
Mm-mm.
every day. When she close, she
Yes.
take all za'atar, all this bakery, put it in the bag.
Oh.
What's it?
One
How
Filipina.
she is making salary now? This food, she will take it now to the office. From the office, either she has to throw or to distribute.
That is her mistake or his mistake.
her mistake.
Number one, you need to go first on the office or hospitals to encourage those Filipina, your
She
kabayan,
has it.
to buy. And the next day,
No, no,
that's
not-
the time
no,
you
no,
get
no,
order
no, no.
first, then that's the
This
time
is-
you will
this
cook.
This is the shopping center.
Yeah,
You have a small shop, coffee shop. You
Yeah.
have this.
yeah.
Okay, this is business.
Mm.
Okay, we are
Yes.
not talk to friends.
Mm.
It's not fair. How you go to the now you are in the pharmacy.
Mm.
Who is coming? If someone come to you to sell you food,
Mm. You must
You will take-
in the hospital not allowed the vendors inside,
you answer.
outside to inside.
Finish. You
But
answer.
you can do it
No, you
on
answer.
other way.
No, you answer.
Secret.
No one will accept that.
It will.
You bought fish from your Indian man.
No, it should be
bought fish.
cooked.
You bought fish, and you see what's the trouble you had to cook it, and then you didn't like it. See, finish.
Let me answer the one topic. A good answer topic regarding for example, selling foods from outside.
This is a talk.
Someone will bring food from
No, this is
from
a talk.
outside,
It's
bring to the inside the
this is
hospital.
an academic talk. This is something they call it academic.
There's a solution many ways. There's so
No,
many ways.
No, these solutions as academic, like something you write in a presentation. This is a talking solutions. It's not practical solutions.
Oh, let me talk. For example, yeah, even me, for example, I'm a vendor of foods. I know that not allowed to sell food inside that hospital. So what I will do, I will not bring first the food inside the hospital. I will ask one by one in the department if they that I'm
Okay.
selling this one.
Okay.
Do you want to
Okay.
order?
Make it short.
And then
Too much. And
that's
then,
the time. The next day, I will
yes.
tell them. I will ask their break time, like that. Break time. You ask the
Okay.
break time. What time their break? So then I will tell them that I will be just outside the hospital this time. You
Okay.
can get. I will call you. Give me your number.
This is too much talk. You see.
No, it's not too
Okay, let me
much.
tell you something.
Yeah.
Who is you are the one working in the hospital.
Mm.
You are doing this job for your people, yeah? Yes.
Mm.
This is not accepted. It's called this is not accepted in the work. I'm not talking about you working in the working and
Yeah.
do food for your colleagues. I'm talking about someone from outside
Yeah.
need a job.
Yeah.
He will come talk to you.
Yeah.
No one will entertain him to accept. Okay, for example, you make food. Today I buy, Bagla will buy, this will buy. Tomorrow they will not buy.
Of course,
Finish.
they need to taste the food that she bought.
But
If it's nice, the next day they will order again.
you like to talk to me like you understand too much.
Ah.
No, be practical. No. Okay, come. You have to be practical, not like this.
You need my comment,
No.
and then now you will say like that.
No, you have to be practical. I'm not talking about you working in the pharmacy to sell food for your people.
Yeah.
It's not you. I'm talking about someone like one local man.
Mm.
He needs maybe one 2 dinar a day.
Mm.
Then this local man, he is outside. Then he come to your pharmacy. Please, can you buy from me sweets? Now you are talking about I want to test it. Is it good or not good? No, this is not. If you want to buy from UK, you buy 100 first, whether you like it or not like it. What are you doing?
100 bits?
Okay, I stopped talking. That's good. Like,